Here's a quick overview of the Pile PKESPR26. It's an electric food spiralizer. This is what it'll look like when you first take it out of the package. On the top here, pull this out. As you can see, this is your little plunger right here. This is to help push the food in. It's going to go into the top, just like that. In here, you can, when you're done spiralizing, you can actually take this out and clean this. It just slides right back in. On the back of the unit, you'll see this little door here. If you open it up, you'll see the different implements that you can use to put on for different kinds of cutting, slicing, and dicing. Also, you'll see your power cords in here. For this example, we're going to put this on, which is your slicer. I'm going to plug it in to an outlet. If you're looking at this, you'll see that it has double grooves, and there's a spot right here with double grooves. So just match them up. And click it in. Just like that. Then you take this unit from before, you get it on here, and spin it until it locks in. See how that locked in? Here, I'll do it again so you can see. Okay, so it's locked in nice and firm, and you'll know it's working when you hit the button, the on button, and it actually turns. If this is loose and it's not locked in, it won't work. So you make sure it's locked in. Put your vegetables that you want to inside. Lightly put the plunger on top. Start the spiralizer and then push in your product with this slowly. And it'll come out into the bowl down here.